Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey y'all, I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Knowledge is power, so go ahead and ring and subscribe that notifications. There's a new episode each week, and you're not going to want to miss one. They're always packed full of information that you can use as a buyer or a seller. This is actually episode 158, and today we're going to be talking about what to do before listing your home for sale. Honestly, this is one of my favorite topics. I think I've got a great system that almost never fails if my sellers will just follow the process. The first thing that I tell them to do is get the home inspected before they list the house. Ask me. I've got a lot of great stories. I've got great documents that explain this. Got some blog posts. I got some previous videos. But when you get your home inspected, you know what you're selling and all of the hidden issues. You get to then control the narrative. You decide what to fix and what you're going to leave alone, and you present that information to the buyers. And if they can't accept it, then this is honestly not the home for them. Removes a lot of points of contention, a lot of static, a lot of potential arguments down the road are taken care of right from the very beginning. There's no hand grenades that are going to go off in the middle of your deal. The second thing I always tell people to do is take care of your general and routine maintenance. And if you haven't done it up to this point, remedy any of the deferred maintenance. Anything that could be an issue for potential buyers is going to show up when they start doing their own home inspections. Things like upkeep of the HVAC system, changing the filters, taking care of any potential electrical issues, general upkeep, systems. Make sure that they're all working. When you take care of that general and routine maintenance, you remove any potential problems later on down the road. Lastly, I want you to remember, before you sell your home, declutter it. Buyers want to see space. They want to be able to imagine their stuff in your home instead of your stuff in theirs. If you like these videos, you can check out my past episodes and other great content over on my YouTube channel, all 160 episodes, plus some great information about the local area and the local market. You can also check me out on Facebook. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.